Hello, everyone! Welcome back to our English for Easy Learning channel. In today's lesson, we are going to learn how to replace some common English expressions with more natural, formal, and advanced alternatives. These expressions are especially useful for speaking, presentations, academic writing, IELTS, and professional communication. So, let's get started. 1. In my opinion versus from my perspective. Common English. In my opinion, online education is very useful. More natural, formal English. From my perspective, online education is very useful. In my opinion is completely correct and very common, but from my perspective sounds a little more sophisticated and is useful when expressing your personal viewpoint. 2. Because versus due to the fact that. Common English. Many people work from home because it is convenient. More formal English. Many people work from home due to the fact that it is convenient. Because is natural and perfectly correct. Due to the fact that is more formal, but remember that it can sound unnecessarily long in everyday conversation. 3. It leads to versus it results in. Common English. Lack of exercise leads to health problems. More formal English. Lack of exercise results in health problems. Both expressions describe a cause and effect relationship. Results in is often useful in formal writing and academic English. The other reason is versus another significant factor is. Common English. The other reason is the high cost. More advanced English. Another significant factor is the high cost. Another significant factor is sounds more formal and analytical. It is particularly useful when discussing several reasons behind an issue. 5. But versus nevertheless. Common English. The job is difficult, but I enjoy it. More formal English. The job is difficult. Nevertheless, I enjoy it. Nevertheless is a formal linking word used to introduce a contrasting idea. It is especially useful in essays and formal presentations. Also versus additionally. Common English. The course is affordable. Also, it is very practical. More formal English. The course is affordable. Additionally, it is very practical. Additionally means also or in addition. It is commonly used in formal writing. 7. On the other hand versus by contrast. Common English. City life is exciting. On the other hand, it can be stressful. More formal English. City life is exciting. By contrast, it can be stressful. Both expressions introduce a difference or contrast. By contrast sounds more formal and is often used in academic or professional contexts. 8. So versus consequently. Common English. He did not prepare for the exam, so he received a low grade. More formal English. He did not prepare for the exam. Consequently, he received a low grade. Consequently means as a result. It is useful when showing a clear relationship between an action and its result. 9. Very difficult versus increasingly challenging. Common English. Finding a good job is very difficult. More advanced English. Finding a good job is increasingly challenging. Increasingly challenging means that something is becoming more and more difficult. Notice that it is not always a direct replacement for very difficult. Remember, students, you don't need to replace every simple English word with a complicated one. The goal is not to use difficult English. The goal is to use appropriate, natural, and effective English. Practice these expressions in your own sentences, and gradually they will become part of your active vocabulary. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who is learning English. See you in the next lesson. Bye!